Today, it's the 2-year update. We coated this Camaro ZL1 2 years ago on May 20th or so, 2023, and it is June 2025. So 2 years and a month, it's time to do the update on an 8-year DIY ceramic coating. So what I'm seeing on this vehicle is there's not a lot of bug contamination, traffic film. It's well taken care of. Client hand wash only, mostly air dry, and then a towel blot. So very well maintained, very impressed. By far one of my best clients. So when it comes to maintaining the vehicle. So really good job there. So the plan for this is it doesn't need a full 3 pH wash, but I do see a mineral crust starting to build up, especially on the black bits is where you can see it. And let's go ahead and get you in for the inspection. And you can see, hopefully, somewhere, yeah, there you go. See all that? There's kind of a, you can see some light water spotting going on. So, and just a light layer of dust kind of around the vehicle. So, not a lot of bugs on the front. Very well maintained. Plan of attack for this evening is we're gonna hit it with kind of a 2 pH system instead. We are still gonna hit it with the acid wash, and for that we're using Detail Co. acid wash. Smells like McDonald's Sprite because it's a spicy soap, and this does a deep mineral cleanse of especially our coated surfaces. Excellent, especially for yearly maintenance. You want to run a ceramic coating through an acid wash. By the way, Detail Co. gallons are on sale this week till Friday, June 27th, 30% off if you want to get the Detail Co. gallons, and coatings for Detail Co. coatings, slim, thick, leather, glass, BOGO. Buy one, get one. So now's the time to restock or try out some Detail Co. We'd appreciate it. Plan of attack is I already got Quiver Rogue from a previous detail loaded up in the foam cannon. And we're just gonna foam and do a pre-rinse with the pH neutral soap. We're gonna foam the bucket. We got the Yum Wash Pad V2.1, whatever version Nick's on. It's amazing, tri-fiber. It's fantastic. We already got the acid wash loaded up in the other Quiver foam cannon. So orange, Quiver Rogue, clearish, yellowish is Detail Co. acid wash. There's a horsefly trying to get me. Let's foam on with Quiver Rogue, do the pre-soak, and then rinse it off. Foam on the acidic shampoo, let set dwell, eat some minerals, contact wash with Quiver soap. We're gonna foam the bucket. If you like pina coladas, that's what this soap smells like. Hot out here, stay hydrated, everybody. So what the Quiver Rogue is doing on the surface is it's emulsifying, encapsulating, breaking down that light layer of dust. Any bug guts that might be on the front, maybe on the headlights here, I think I saw a couple bug guts. Loosen that up, and then we're gonna try and knock off as much grit as possible to make our contact wash a whole lot safer. So, if it was covered in bugs and dirt, of course we would go full 3 pH wash with hard wash. Soak it down with a high pH soap, let it emulsify those bugs and the traffic film. But this one, Quiver Rogue pH neutral soap, is gonna do the job just fine. So let's get the rinse. Let's check out the performance of the DIY 8-year ceramic coating off on this first rinse. Off we go. So there you go, still looking absolutely phenomenal, and it'll probably look even better after a mineral cleanse. So even with the amazing hydrophobics, like I said, I can still see those light water spots starting to form on the surface before that pre-rinse. So a little acid wash, and then we'll agitate with quiver that we foamed into the bucket for a pH neutral contact wash over the acid soap to work it in a little bit, and we'll go from there. Let's do it. Oh, and you can see now the coating's really coming back to life. As we foam on acid wash, it's fighting it off. So look at this. Tremendous, tremendous. So we'll have to put on a nice blanket. The acid wash foam's really, really good. Clean time is really, really good with our acid soap. Smells amazing. Smells like some McDonald's Sprite out here. And cosmetic grade surfactant, so it's a really safe acidic mineral cleanse type of wash. So no fear, anybody on any level can use acid wash, no problem. Really user-friendly soap, but it has some good bite to it. And there you go. You let that dwell about 60 seconds, and then we hit it with that tri-fiber mitt contact wash. And I love when you agitate acid wash, you can immediately see how even more hydrophobic that surface gets as we've now done a mineral cleanse to our coated surface. Tri-fiber mitt fits nicely under our wing back here. Really nice, comes in handy. Come around front again and do the very lowers. And that's wrap. Rinse out our wash mitt. Look at that beautiful tri-fiber mitt. Ah, it's wonderful. Let's give her the final rinse. Ooh, look how tight those water beads are now. Wow, definitely woke it up even more. Look how tight that got. And that's what I'm talking about. That mineral cleanse releases those last bit of, there was a little bit of light water spotting. So even that little bit of minerals can be released from the surface. It makes it a whole lot more hydrophobic. So boom, the 2-year update of the DIY ceramic coating looks phenomenal. This is an excellent client that does a very good job at hand washing, hand drying, blow drying, follows all the procedures, brings it to me about once a year, 0 issues. I mean, it is chugging along completely at full power now that we've mineral cleansed it. Next, we're gonna dry with a little Stay Strong detailer. Now, let's get the drying. And honestly, you should blow dry it probably a little bit, but it has been a little dusty here, so I'm just gonna straight towel dry it with the Stay Strong detailer. A couple spritz on your surface. Actually, I'll get this dry and I'll just go ahead and see you on the next one. This video is long enough, it's hot. And that's a wrap. Like, subscribe. I'll see you in the driveway on the next one, probably tomorrow.